That carabiner will attach onto this figure of 8 just here, and this carabiner will then attach onto the participant. Okay. Now there are 2 more pieces of metal that we need to have. So we've got number 1 mayon, which will go onto the climber's end of the rope, figure of 8 knots just here. So that will attach onto it just like so, slot it in, and there we go. This will go onto the dorsal attachment. Dorsal means the back. The dorsal attachment point is on the harnesses, and it just makes it easier so that it's out of the way of the participants when they're on the crate stack. This will attach onto the climber's 2 sternum attachment points to hold them together whilst they're in the harness. And this is going to go, screw it first of all. This is going to go onto this mayon as well. Just to hold it all together, that mayon is just going to attach into that. Now, as we can see, this is quite loose right now, so I'm just going to tighten it up just by pulling it through the system, just like so. Alright. One more pull, and there we have it. Now, just going to give it a final check at the end, just to make sure that it's all good. So, we're going to start at the climber end. Alright, both the males are on here. The knot hole is quite small. Participant probably won't get their fingers trapped in that. Looks quite secure as well. Stop a knot for the attachment. If we look up the rope, you can see they're not tangled. That's always a good sign. We go down on this rope to come to the gree. If I pull it like that, imagine if a participant's weight was being put on here. Yeah, it's not slipping through the device, which is good. If we do it the other way, yeah, we can still take in rope to make sure that they're safe. We come further down, we get to the 2 carabiners. Carabiner on the gree. Excellent, squeeze check, that's perfect. This one, that doesn't matter too much if it's not tied up right now, because that's going to attach onto the participant when we're doing the activity. Come down to the figure of 8 knot, yep, perfect. I can get a finger in there, but then again, I do need to have 2 carabiners in there, so that's not too much of a worry. Comes down to the figure of 8 knot, it's nice and tight, stop a knot, perfect. Further down we go, come down to the clove hitch, give that a tug. Both sides, it's perfect. Triple action, squeeze check on that, no, that's good. Ground anchor, give that a quick pull, and that's all good. Alright, so that is a setup complete.